Take any A4 size paper. I have drawn 9 lines horizontally, like an isosceles triangle. Now I am highlighting all the lines using black pointer. Now I am making curves at the edges of lines. Now I am drawing 3 lines at all the 4 corners of paper. At the inner side you can write text of your choice. Now I am coloring all the lines using green color of shades, light and dark green. For corners of paper, I am using green and red color. Add a star at the top of tree, or you can use a star sticker. For white dots on the tree, I am using white marker, or you can use a whitener as well. Write Merry Christmas and decorate by making some stars and hearts. Take a A4 size paper and fold it like this. Now take 5 pieces of green color paper all in square shape of the sizes as shown. Now fold in half and make 2 triangles by folding in this way. Now paste them on the paper. Start from smaller to bigger. Now cut from middle of paper. Make a circle and write some lines for Christmas. Add white dots using whitener. Take a A4 size paper and fold it. I have take 16 pieces of paper in circle shape of size as shown. Fold all the pieces in half and paste them at the mid of paper.